Set up email to notify the user when the transactions are sent from RMH to QBO or vice versa. In this video, we will show you how you can set up the email notification in the application. Define the email credentials including the server, port, username, and password. Select the email of the primary person to receive the email. You can also add other people in BCC list. Choose the Module tab, and enable the module for which the emails have to be sent. By default, the system will only send an email if the integration fails. If you want to receive an email irrespective, whether the integration was successful or not, use the checkbox against the module in the Select All column. Want to learn more about our RMH QuickBooks integration? Do visit and subscribe our YouTube channel, and connect with us for more details.